Hey car enthusiasts! Ever wonder how long it really takes for a car to go from the factory assembly line to the showroom floor or your driveway? Well, you're not alone. In today's video, we're diving into the timeline of how cars are built and shipped to dealerships and customers. Let's get started. Once a car is built, the time it takes to get to its final destination. On average, once a car is completed on the assembly line, it will take anywhere from 1 to 4 weeks to be shipped. But as you'll see, several factors can speed up or delay this process. Let's break it down. First, shipping time can depend on the destination and shipping method. Is the car staying local, or is it heading across the country, or even overseas? If a car is being shipped overseas, it can take longer. Overseas shipments involve sea freight, which can add days or even weeks to the delivery time, depending on the distance and the port's traffic. For domestic shipments, the process is faster, especially when vehicles are moved by ground transport. Most cars are shipped by truck or sometimes by rail for longer distances. These methods are efficient, but road conditions, distance, and even weather can cause delays. So what happens immediately after your car is built? Well, the car gets moved to a transportation hub or port before it's loaded onto a truck or shipped for delivery. Once it arrives at the port or depot, it's loaded onto the shipping vehicle and begins its journey to the dealership or directly to the customer. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for more car-related tips and advice. Happy driving!